This is from NOAA. This is one of the satellite views showing the current status of the hurricane. Just southwest of us right now, we are experiencing heavy, heavy winds, torrential rain coming down, cats meowing off the charts, of course, as well they should. Woke me up, and this is where we're at right now. From the looks of it, we're about probably a good hour or so more of this kind of weather before it goes through, and then it looks like it's going to looks like it's headed out to the Atlantic, where it will finally give us some relief. We have been on the this side of the storm the entire time, and we are right here. That's where we're at. So, got a bumpy ride going still, but hopefully it'll get through here soon. And yes, I'm a little tired after only having 3 hours of sleep. We're getting woken up from this. So, hang in there.